I'm gonna rock with this white joint. Just gonna leave it on that. Hands. Hands on your head while you're working on the floor. Fire up that cushion. Listen, man. Listen. I'm sorry, I'm kind of like, I'm doing this is a build up a little bit if y'all, it's a build up. Listen, man, for the people that ain't got, low attention spans, y'all can bounce. It is what it is at this point. Listen, man, I can't believe I did this. I had no plans on doing this. So some of y'all may know, I don't know. I never really actually put it in the video, but I was planning on getting the Galaxy Ring and the Buds Pro 3, Buds 3 Pro, whatever they call it. But for whatever reason, I don't know. I feel like the buds are like on some sort of weird back order. I don't know. I can't even find them online. Like not on the website. I haven't ordered on Samsung. Typically, what I've been doing now is I want to see what's on Marketplace. So a lot of people like to flip their stuff on Marketplace. You get a little bit of a discount. So that's what I would suggest for you guys. Went Facebook Marketplace, couldn't find anything. So I'm like, I don't know. Maybe ain't nobody feeling them. I'll wait. But then then I saw one of these online, man. I had to go ahead and pick it up. Listen, I fell victim. I fell victim. The FOMO is real. All right. The FOMO is real. It got me. But listen, we gonna have to check it out. Let's go ahead and get it. All right, y'all. What's up? What up? What's good, y'all? Should be at Wayne Training. We are back with another joint. We got the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. It's in the building, man. All right, y'all. Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get to it. So, all right. So, this is probably like I kind of I've had bad luck. Not really bad luck, but bad. How am I trying to say this? I haven't had the best, experience with Samsung watches, and not from like an actual productivity or a useful standpoint. More so, it's just from a quality standpoint. Like they've always felt like they kind of cheaped out a little bit. I don't know. Yeah, man. There it is. So it was in a box, Okay, then we got the band up in there. So I'm assuming everything is gonna be in this box. Let's open up the band first. So we're going to throw that on there. So I got it for a decent little deal. I'm gonna have to go out and give me a couple bands, but slide them up the paint. Yeah, here we go. I forget what this one was, a trail loop. So updated on the way you connected it. So see how easy that is to put on. There it is, man. Look, they got this it was something about it. I ain't gonna lie to you. It was something about this watch. I went to Best Buy and peeped it, but I didn't peep this version. I looked at I think it's like the titanium gray one. Wasn't really like I wasn't drawn to that one. I really wasn't. So, but I saw this one. I'm like, okay, this might be the move. And I seen somebody on the marketplace selling it. And I went and picked it up. So this is the titanium silver. And I ain't gonna lie to you, part of the reason why the FOMO hit so heavy on me was I kept visualizing the type of bands I can get, and I kept seeing the bands that I want. Like, it was dope. So I'm like, I gotta get this because I want to play with this. So they got this little squircle design, kind of like the apps. If you ever use the Samsung device, they got squircle apps. There we go. So while I was booting up, let's go ahead and get how we do this. I'm assuming you just push it in. Okay. I'm gonna take it off one time for the one time to see how that is. All right. So it's not a bad locking mechanism, but I don't know. It gives me the feeling that it's gonna break. I don't know why, but all right. So We're gonna go to the setup. Oops. The other reason why I picked this up is because I was hearing through the grapevine that the haptics on this bad boy has been updated. So that's a huge thing when it comes to quality for me, when it comes to watches. One of the other things that I like about this watch visually is the width of the bands. It's very close. So I bought this Apple Watch band. This ain't like the width that you normally get from Apple Watch bands. So actually I'm gonna do a video on these. Y'all need to get bands that are wide like this. Y'all don't be getting them little thin bands. They look trash. So this one's very close to that. I would like it, I guess, maybe slightly wider to be even closer to the Apple Watch, but you know. Listen, man, I rock Samsung and Apple, so I can't really be like, you know, watchless when it comes to Samsung. If you don't want to experience FOMO, don't watch YouTubers. Don't watch influencers, man. Influencers will have you out here broke. Lie. So don't watch me. No, I'm just playing. Please watch me. Select quick button action. So let's go ahead and check what that's all about. Let's see. Oh, here this is a little drop down button. So open my exercises. I can set it to open multi-sport workout list, starting a walk, start a run, stopwatch, flashlight, or water lock. So I'm definitely not gonna be running. Probably not gonna be biking. I don't know. I'll just do start walk because I'll be walking sometime. All right, so set your wearing preferences. So yeah, mine's gonna be my left wrist for sure. Button position, right of the screen. Wow. Create your own multi-workout. So multi-sport workout. I ain't gonna be on it like that. I ain't gonna lie to you. We'll do that later. Check your body's battery level. Okay, my energy level. Okay, we're gonna get to that. Understanding your sleep for better rest. I can sleep in a watch. Find out if you're at risk for sleep apnea. I probably got it. I need to get that checked out. That right there, I kind of like that. I've seen people reviewing that. I need to get a watch plan for this because I got a watch plan for my Apple Watch. It's only fair that I get a watch plan for my Samsung joint, but we're gonna skip it for now. Now it's gonna do this little finish up setup thing. We'll see how fast that is. Oh damn! I thought it was gonna take a little bit longer, so here we are. We in there. So there's the app. So let's take a look at the app. We're at 83%, so I'll be good for the day. Take it out. We got watch faces, app screen tiles, quick panel. Now this thing does come with 32 gigabytes of storage, so you can store, you know, you can store digital media on there. You get your photos, music, whatever you need to put on there to for quick access from your watch. If I do end up getting these buds, I'm definitely going to be thinking about putting music on the watch for quick access at the gym and whatnot. I don't have that really on my Apple Watch because I got Apple Music. If they had Apple Music that I can use from the Galaxy Watch, we'd be straight. But I'm definitely gonna skip that tour. So yeah, let's take a look, man. There's the watch, man. So don't miss a thing. With the orange dots indicate new notifications. Okay. So we got the little compass rocking. Let's take a look at a few watch faces. We got some available here. Let's see. We can customize this one. Let's customize this one. See what we can do. All right, so we got indexes, style. Let's try. Oh, pink. Okay. Let's go to color. All right. This is a rotating crown. Nope, no rotating crown. Please. I don't think so. Is it rotating? I don't think so. What we got? Colors. Come on. I'm gonna rock with this white joint. Just gonna leave it on that. Hands. Hands on your head while you're working on the floor. Fire up that cushion. Oh man, what a pass. What a pass. Okay. It's like there's no. I'll just do it like that. Okay. Night mode, customization. All right, we ain't gonna do this too much longer. All right, we'll get into some more detailed stuff, but I'm gonna just rock with this white one for now. I might end up switching it by the end of the video. All right, so starting my workout. I ain't walking nowhere. All right. So if you swipe over from the left, you can get access to that here. You can pause your workout or finish it or whatever. Go back over here. You got your media controls, like it said. So short press pauses it. Short press resumes it. Let's try long press. Okay, so a long press gives you the option to finish it, but it's technically still paused until you make a decision. So we'll just go ahead and say finish. I ain't walk nowhere. Wow. Oops, I keep doing it. Yeah, I gotta get used to that. I'm changing that. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm definitely changing that. All right, apps are swipe up. Swipe down, you get a little toggle, quick toggles. So you got flashlight. I forget what the brightness level on this thing, but I think it is pretty bright. But let's go ahead and click that. You got your settings up there. Water lock, toggle, Wi-Fi. I can't wait to get a plan on this thing. Health, obviously. Just a quick little rundown. I'm just trying to figure out what some of these swipe gestures are. So no rotating bezel, but you do kind of get the touch aspect, or a little touch bezel. So just kind of roll your finger across the top of the bezel. Yeah, and then get a little bit of function there. So that's okay. I'm okay with that. Bottom button to go back to your home screen. So that's the Galaxy Watch, man. Let's get it on wrist. Let's see what this thing hitting for. So it's got the double prong joint. I don't know how tight I want this. Are we good like that? On wrist. There it is. It is a big boy, so keep in mind of that. Yeah, it's decent, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's decent. Very much different because of the circular and it, like the display being circular. You know, it's definitely different. So I definitely think that a metal band is gonna be a requirement for this watch, just to kind of complement the design. I think I'm gonna go ahead and rock this for a minute. You know, my baby. My baby. Oh, I love my Apple Watch, man. But like, subscribe, share, do it up for your boy, man. Let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy Watch if you have one, if you're interested. And yeah, it's your man. We out.